Good morning to all. Today we see about the topic is gear tooth measurement. Okay, so this is a spur gear. So already I told what is the spur gear and what is the application of the spur gear. Mainly it is used to transmit the rotation power from one place to another place. For example, you have added one spur gear means that two gear is made. One is the clockwise directions and the second one is the anti-clockwise directions. Okay. So in this spur gear is made of gear teeth. Okay, gear teeth. So the teeth thickness is a different shape. Teeth thickness is not a rectangular shape. It is a conical shape. Okay. So this type of teeth is measured by using gear tooth vernier. Gear tooth vernier. Already I told the normal vernier caliper. So this is a normal vernier caliper. So in this vernier caliper, this is a main scale and this is a vernier scale and this is a locking screw. So locking screw is mainly used to from left to right and right to left. So easily you can move from left to right or right to left, that purpose. Okay. So normally we measured rectangular shape or square shape of the object means definitely the vernier caliper is enough. That is a no problem. But the gear tooth shape is a conical shape. So this type of teeth thickness is measured by gear tooth vernier. So this is the gear tooth vernier. This is the gear tooth vernier. Okay. So in this gear tooth vernier is having two scales. One is the Y scale and second one is the X scale. Okay. One is the Y scale and second one is the X scale. Okay. So in this gear normal vernier caliper is made of in value in mm. Okay, but gear tooth vernier means it is the centimeter. That is a no problem. Easily you convert the centimeter to mm. That is you multiply with 10. For example, 10 centimeter means you multiply with 10 100 mm. So easily you can convert the centimeter to mm value. So that is a no problem. Okay. Already I told the spur gear applications. That is a separate topic. So the spur gear teeth thickness is measured by gear tooth vernier. So in this gear tooth vernier is having two scales. One is X scale and second one is the Y scale. Okay. Another important instrument is this is a module restrictor. The module is very important parameter in the gear life. Okay. So what is module? Module is the ratio of the outside diameter to number of teeth. For example, I have taken this gear. So this number of teeth is the 40. Already I counted. The number of teeth is the 40. Normally you have to calculate the outer diameter. So outer diameter means simply is enough. Vernier caliper is enough. Okay. So I measured the outer diameter. So exactly that value is the 65 mm. Exactly the value is the 65 mm. Okay. So this is the outer diameter. The number of teeth is the 40. Simply you calculate the 60 divided by 40 or 60 divided by 40 plus 2. Plus 2 means this is the addition of 2 teeth. Okay. So this value is the, for example, I have take the value 2 mm means 2 mm is the module of the gear. 2 mm is the exact value of the module. Okay. So the module parameter is very important in our gear life. Okay, because the gear parameters, lot of parameters is there. Addendum, Dedendum circle, Dedendum circle. So pitch circle diameters. Another one is a pitch. What is means pitch means the starting teeth. First teeth you had select the two teeth. Okay, so first teeth starting point to second teeth starting point or midpoint to midpoint or end point to end point. So this of the distance is called as the pitch values. Okay, so pitch is the separate categories. Okay, that's the second one. So the teeth thickness is very important in our gear life is important. So have calculated the module means please fix the module value. Please fix the module value in Y scale. Okay. So this is a locking screw. So easily you can move from top to bottom or bottom to top. So the fixed and locking screw is mainly used to lock the scales. Okay. So I updated the value is 2 mm means so 2 mm is exactly fitted in Y scales, and then take this gear, select any one teeth. Okay. Please put on the vertical surfaces. and also vertical shape or vertical positions. So I used from the X scale. Okay, so please you remove the locking screw, so easily your scale will be moved from left to right after right to left. So I have select one teeth, means directly I fixed the value and got the value from teeth, exact teeth thickness. Okay, so in this gear tooth vernier, the module parameter is also important. So that module value is fixed on Y scale. The module restrictor is the important role in gear tooth vernier. So this is a major difference between the normal vernier and gear tooth vernier. Okay, thank you.